In a world filled with differences, challenges, and uncertainty, there's one thing that has always remained constant: the power of unity. No matter how divided we may seem, when we come together, there's nothing we can't achieve. This is the story of brotherhood, unity, and the timeless lesson that united we stand, divided we fall. Brotherhood is more than just a word. It's a bond that goes beyond bloodlines. Brotherhood is about trust, loyalty, and standing by each other in times of need. It's the bond we form with those we meet along our journey: friends, colleagues, neighbors, even strangers, who share our vision, our struggles, and our dreams. It's in the little moments: a shared laugh, a helping hand, or a word of encouragement. Brotherhood is the belief that together, we are stronger.
The power of unity is not just something we feel on a personal level. History shows us how unity can move mountains, change societies, and shape the world. Think about the civil rights movement in the United States, where people of all races and backgrounds stood together arm in arm to fight for equality. Or remember the Berlin Wall, a symbol of division that stood for decades. But it wasn't just one person that brought it down. It was the collective will of a united people, determined to break free from the chains of separation. These are reminders that no matter how high the walls of division may be, unity has the power to tear them down.
Unity isn't just a concept we read about in history books. It's something we see and experience in our everyday lives. Take, for example, communities coming together in times of crisis. When natural disasters strike, it doesn't matter where you come from, what language you speak, or what beliefs you hold. In those moments, the only thing that matters is how we help one another. When a hurricane hit my hometown, I remember people, strangers, coming together to rebuild what was lost. They didn't ask for anything in return. They didn't care about differences. In those moments, we were one. We were united.
I never thought I'd rely so much on my neighbors, but when the floods came, we all had each other's backs. It didn't matter if we knew each other well or not. We were family in those moments.
During my toughest days, it was my friends who pulled me through. That's brotherhood. It's being there for someone when they need it the most.
The greatest lesson that unity teaches us is this: alone, we can only achieve so much. But when we come together, our potential is limitless. Brotherhood isn't just about friendship or camaraderie, it's about understanding that we all have a role to play in each other's lives. It's about embracing the diversity that makes us stronger. When we look beyond our differences, we find common ground. We find shared hopes, shared dreams, and shared struggles. This is the foundation of unity. The realization that we are all in this together, and when we stand united, there's no force in the world that can tear us apart.
In every corner of the globe, we see people coming together for a greater good, fighting for the environment, standing up for human rights, and lending a hand to those in need. These acts of unity remind us that brotherhood is not limited to where we live or who we know. It's a universal truth that transcends borders.
So what can we take away from all of this? The answer is simple: united we stand, divided we fall. In a world where it's easy to focus on what separates us, let us choose to focus on what brings us together. This is our story, a story of brotherhood, a story of unity, a story that reminds us of the strength we hold when we come together. No matter the challenge, no matter the obstacle, we can overcome it if we face it as one. Remember, unity isn't a destination. It's a journey we walk every day. Let's walk it together, hand in hand, knowing that we are stronger together. If this message resonates with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. Let's spread the spirit of brotherhood and unity, one step at a time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content from Inspired. United we stand. Together we thrive. Watch our latest videos for more inspiration. Thank you for being part of the Inspired family.